Riley. I'm going to be presenting target number 5. So the question says, what is the remainder when the sum of the first 2025 positive perfect squares is divided by 2021? Okay, so I think we can start out by just writing the sum. So I will write this out like this. So you have 1 squared, and then we're going to go up to 2025 squared. And I think you might have some wishful thinking in terms of how you're going to group the sum. And so I'm going to kind of write that when I write this sum. So I'm going to kind of chop the sum off at 2021 squared. And then I'm going to write the rest of the terms. So 2022 squared up to 2025 squared. Okay, and you might know that there is an interesting formula for the sum of the first n positive squares. So I'm going to use that formula here for this sum. So this is going to be 2021 times 2021 plus 1, which is 2022, and then times 2 times 2021 plus 1, which is going to be 2043. And then we're going to divide this whole thing by 6. So yeah, I apologize if this formula is kind of appearing out of nowhere, but yeah, it's an interesting formula to learn if you haven't seen it yet. And so I think, so we're going to have the rest of the sum that I'm just going to write in parentheses for now. But looking at the left-hand side, you can note that 2022, if you take the sum of 2022's digits, it's going to be 6. And so you might also be familiar with the fact that if that sum is a multiple of 3, then it means the number is divisible by 3. So this means that 2022 is going to be divisible by 3, and it's also divisible by 2 because it's even. So that means that 2022 is divisible by 6. So I think I kind of wrote this fraction in an odd way, but you can kind of group this as a single integer. And in fact, I can just simplify this as 337. But you didn't have to simplify it if you knew it was divisible, but I'll just do that for the case, making this simpler. And so this whole product is still going to be divisible by 2021. So we're taking this sum mod 2021. This first part that I grouped off is just going to be 0. And the second part is still going to be here, and that's going to be this sum. So this is going to be 2022. I'll write it again, 2022 squared up to 2025 squared. And we can take mod 21 again, or sorry, 2021 again. And this is going to simplify to 1 squared plus 2 squared up to 4 squared. And actually, I guess you could use the sum of the first n squares formula again, but you can also just simplify this, and this is going to be 30. So we get a final answer of 30.
Hey, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.